With our home surface cleaner, it has benzalkonium chloride in it, which is extremely effective at killing microbes and things that could cause transmission of viruses. You want to make sure and clean any surface that's regularly touched in your home, like your front doorknob, your mailbox, anything that's regularly touched by people's hands from the outside. I even do our doorbell, because as soon as somebody comes and delivers food, boom, they push that. You don't want to have any possibility of transmission of microbes in your world, and Adams Polishes has come out with these 3 products to make sure that we're doing our part to help keep you as healthy and safe as possible. This is a spot that has a lot of high touch, so when I go ahead and clean this, I give it a very thorough cleaning. And I tend to use waterless wash towels whenever I'm using home surface cleaner. It seems to be the most effective towel for that purpose. I clean the snockeroonies out of my phone. I like to make sure every time I touch something, I bring it out. And my phone also happens to be my wallet. That's where I keep my credit cards and things like that. So I keep my phone nice and clean, and then, gosh, my tablet, my iPad, this thing gets used like crazy. It's how we connect to the outside world now. We order all of our stuff to get delivered since we can't go out and do it now. But instead of using the waffle towel, I like to use one of our plush towels to go ahead and keep this looking clean and free of germs and fingerprints. So when I go ahead and clean this up, boy, does that come out nice. And remember, if you cannot spray and wipe and clean, at minimum, keep a bottle of sanitizer in your pocket like I do. It makes it really easy to get around the world, touch things without bringing microbes into your personal space.